Butterfly Pavilion in the Invertebrate Zoo in Westminster, Colorado. This is our latest video in the Morpho Minute series, celebrating Butterfly Pavilion's 20 years of inspiring intrigue about invertebrates. In this video, we're going to talk about how insects communicate in interesting ways. Communication is the act or process of using sounds, smells, signals, or behaviors to express or exchange information. Why do we communicate? For food? Companionship? For safety? Believe it or not, invertebrates communicate for all the same reasons and more. To get a little more specific, let's explore how ants communicate. Ants communicate using touch, sound, and pheromones. Ants touch each other with antennae for colony recognition and when they are tandem running. Tandem running is when ants follow the leader by tapping the leader on her back legs to inform her that they are there. If tapping stops, the leader will turn around and search in widening circles until she has found the follower. Ants use sound for many reasons. The queen will stridulate, the term for when an insect makes noise by rubbing its body parts together, like crickets do, to issue instructions to workers. It sounds something like this. The workers produce sound to bring help when needed. Even ant pupa can produce a sound when they are threatened, which in turn brings adult ants running to protect them. Pheromones are any chemical substance released by an animal that influences the physiology or behavior of other members of the same species. The use of pheromones is extremely developed in ants. It is used to identify members of the colony, locate food, defend the colony, and inform worker ants when they should create a new queen. Ants detect pheromones through their highly sensitive antennae. Each antenna is made up of different segments. The flagellum segments are the parts that interpret the most information, including detecting pheromones. When it comes to locating food for the colony, an ant forager is sent out. When she finds food, she marks her trail with pheromones on the way back to the colony. Then, more ants can follow her trail to the food, and on their way back, they mark the trail with pheromones to confirm there is more food in this location. When the food is gone, the trail is no longer used and the scent disappears. Watch as these harvester ants finish off their food and bring it back to the colony. Each ant colony has its own pheromones which identifies them as a colony member. When they return to the colony, they release the pheromone and it is known that they belong to that community. If they do not belong to the colony, they will be fought and removed from the group by guard ants.
Pheromone use is so successful for ants that other insects mimic the pheromones to get the ants to do their bidding.
For example, Alcon blue butterfly caterpillars secrete pheromones similar to that of an ant larva. This causes the ants to take the caterpillar to the nest where it will be fed. Sometimes the caterpillar will go so far as to mimic sounds of the queen ant, which will provide the caterpillar preferential treatment over other larvae, and the ants will even feed their larvae to the caterpillar. The ants will continue to care for the butterfly through its pupa stage until it emerges as an adult.
Ants are amazing little insects with an amazing ability to communicate with one another. I hope you learned something new today about our colonial friends. And next time you see a group of ants walking along your trail, you might think about how they all know where to go and the amazing communication they must have to keep that many individuals working together and happy. Thanks for watching. Come visit us at Butterfly Pavilion and check back here for upcoming Morpho Minutes to learn more fun facts about invertebrates.